Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to solve Telegram code SMS problem in 2025. Now, for example, you're trying to log in on your newly downloaded Telegram account, and sometimes the SMS or OTP is not sending on your phone, so that means you're not really logged in. The verification code is not really sending or you're not receiving it on your device. So the problem with that one will be solved on this video. The first thing you want to do is right now is check if your phone is the latest version or it has the latest version available for your software. And as you can see right here for iPhone users or iOS users, while I'm making this video, the latest version is 18.5, and basically make sure you have updated it to your the latest version, right? Now once that's done, I want you right now to go to your settings one more time and let's look for applications. Should be around here somewhere. There we have it. So you can also do this one if you're using Android device. So basically for this one, look for the one that says Telegram. So since it's chronologically arranged, I think this is the letter T. As you can see right there, everything I need in Telegram will be right here, from contacts to phone to cellular data. So make sure that on your contacts and photos you have full access. As you can see right here, everything has full access. And then cellular data is going to be on, language is English, camera is on. Everything is the same here. And now once that's done, I want you to go back here on general and look for iPhone storage, okay? Now once you're here, you're going to have applications lower part here. Now these are not chronologically arranged. So make sure to take your time looking for Telegram. There we have it. So we're just going to offload the application. We're clearing the cache. In your Android device, just go to settings and app and clear the cache. And here for iOS, offload the app is the one to go through. Now once you're good here, once you're done, the problem still persists. Basically uninstall your Telegram and reinstall it on your Play Store or your App Store. But I doubt you will reach that conclusion. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.